Province. Let's welcome the Igorot.
This is a traditional folk dance of the northern Luzon in the Philippines.
Anh chị em thân mến, đây là một tiết mục nhảy múa dân tộc truyền thống của người Phi ở miền Bắc nước Phi. Có cách nào đó cũng giống dân tộc của những người trên miền núi của chúng ta. Đây là một cái nét văn hóa của họ nhé.
So this is an Igorot dance, a native tribe of the northern Luzon. So in particular, this is a native dance of Baguio, or in the Benguet province of northern Luzon. This is their cultural attire. Pwede ninyong gayahin. So the Igorot dance, the cultural dance of Benguet province, and with its city, Baguio City, the summer capital of the Philippines. Ang galing ng tunog, oh. So, yan talaga ang tunay. Ngayon ay full moon, mooncake festival. Tinatambol nila at pinapalabas nila ang buwan. Ganyan noon ang panliligaw. Aywan ko ngayon kung ganyan pa.
For an additional of what Father Peter Porio said, this kind of dance is a boogie dance. It's a courtship dance. Long ago, our elders used this kind of dance because it's their way of expressing love and respect to the latest they want. Right now, our fellows here are using what we call the gangsa. It is an indigenous musical instrument that is made of iron and bronze by the Cordilleran tribes, or what we call the Igorot. This is a handmade instrument and being used in traditional dances to summon the gods for good future and luck. This is being also performed by several occasions such as weddings, festivals, especially in Langay at Bontoc Mountain Province and Panagbenga of Baguio. And lastly, we Igorots are very proud to perform this indigenous kind of dance, for it is one way of preserving our cultural tribes in this modern age. For wherever we go, we are proud to say that we are who we are, the Igorots.